You're not ugly. The real problem is 7 bad habits that are quietly destroying your face every single day, and you don't even notice them. The bad news? If you don't fix them now, you'll keep aging faster than you should. In this video, I'll show you exactly what those 7 habits are and how to fix them. The good news? The fixes are simple and you'll start seeing results in just a few weeks. 1. Touching your face. You probably do this without even noticing. Rubbing your eyes, scratching your nose, resting your chin on your hands while scrolling. The problem? Your hands are dirty. You touch your phone, your keyboard, doorknobs, then your face. That's how clogged pores, random breakouts, and dull skin start. The fix is easy. Keep your hands off your face and wash them often. It's small, but it changes everything. 2. Chewing on one side. Most people don't even realize they do this. If you always chew food or gum on one side of your mouth, that side of your jaw becomes stronger and more defined, while the other side stays soft. Over time, that uneven pressure literally reshapes your face. One cheek becomes more pronounced, your jawline shifts, and your smile starts to look slightly off balance. It's not just about looks, it affects your facial muscles, posture, even how you bite and talk. To fix it, start paying attention. Switch sides every few bites, train both sides equally. It'll feel weird at first, but over time your face will start regaining that natural, even look. 3. Bad sleep. Sleep deprivation shows up on your face faster than anything else. When you skip proper rest, your body doesn't repair itself. Your skin dulls, dark circles form, and your eyes lose that healthy brightness. And here's the scary part. Chronic lack of sleep increases cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down collagen. That means fine lines, puffiness, and that tired, saggy look. Go to bed at the same time every night. Avoid scrolling before sleep and get at least 7 hours. Good sleep tightens your skin, improves your posture, and gives you that fresh look that no cream can fake. 4. Lack of sunlight. You might not realize it, but staying indoors all day drains the life out of your face. Artificial light from screens can't replace what natural sunlight gives you. Vitamin D, energy, and that natural warmth in your skin tone. Without sunlight, your complexion turns pale, your eyes look tired, and your body feels heavier. You just look dull. Spend at least 15 minutes outside every morning. Take a walk, have your coffee on the balcony, feel real sunlight on your skin. You'll not only look better, you'll feel better. That natural glow people notice? It's not makeup, it's just your body working the way it's supposed to. 5. Too much caffeine. Coffee is great until it becomes your personality. When you start depending on it to survive the day, you're silently dehydrating your skin and exhausting your nervous system. Too much caffeine makes your face look dry, your eyes dull, and your energy fake. You might feel awake, but your body looks tired. Try cutting back. 1 or 2 cups a day and drink water right after. After a week, you'll feel more calm, and your skin will start looking healthier. You'll realize real energy doesn't come from caffeine. It comes from balance. 6. Stress. Stress doesn't just change your mood, it changes your face. It tightens your jaw, deepens your frown lines, and makes your entire expression look heavier. When you live in constant tension, your body is always in fight or flight mode. Your skin gets worse, your eyes look distant, and you stop smiling as much. That's what actually makes you look older. Not time, but tension. The solution isn't to avoid stress. That's impossible. The solution is to release it. Exercise, meditate, listen to music, go outside. Do anything that calms your mind because peace shows on your face just like stress does. 7. Thinking it's all genetics. This one's the hardest truth to accept. Most people blame genetics for their looks, but your habits play a far bigger role. Your diet, your sleep, your hydration, your posture, your mindset, that's what builds your face. If you keep saying, "I was born like this," you'll never change. But once you take responsibility, everything shifts. You can't change your bones, but you can change how you take care of them. Improve your habits, stay consistent, and your face, your energy, your entire presence will transform. The truth is, people don't become unattractive overnight. They just stop paying attention to the small things, the little habits that drain their glow and energy bit by bit. Fix those, and you'll not only look better, you'll start feeling like the best version of yourself again. Not fake, not forced, just real. Confident, healthy, and alive.